Welcome to Buskirk Hall. Buskirk is an all-female residence hall here at Marshall. Our front desks are staffed and operated 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Here, residents are able to pick up their mail and packages as well as access other amenities. The first floor lobby is very spacious, which is great for hanging out with friends. The building's computer lab is also located next to the main lobby. There's a full-size kitchen which is also connected to the lobby. In the lower level of the building, there are spaces for residents to hang out, as well as vending machines and other amenities such as a pool table. Here's what a standard double bedroom looks like. The west side of Buskirk has a beautiful view of the center of campus. All the furniture you see is standard in every bedroom. Residents are welcome to rearrange their rooms as they see fit. Buskirk offers ample storage space for its residents. Conveniently, there are 2 communal bathrooms on every floor of Buskirk. The bathrooms are cleaned and restocked daily by the university's campus service workers. Having 2 large bathrooms means residents never have to wait to use the facilities. There is also a trash room on every floor. A communal space and a kitchen can be found on each floor as well. Laundry facilities can be found on every floor and are free to use to all residents. Be sure to check out our website for some more information.